Hello everyone, I am Alok Kumar, your favorite mathematics educator. Consider the following problem that appeared on IIT JEE 1991. The sides of a triangle are three consecutive natural numbers and the largest angle is twice the smallest one. Determine the sides of the triangle. If you were to look up any solution that is in some books or guides, you would notice that nobody has given a geometric solution. All solutions are trigonometric. In fact, a simple combination of sine and cosine rules. But the geometric solution of same is very satisfying based on characterizing the triangles ABC in which one angle is twice the other. Let me state the result. In a triangle ABC, if angle A is twice angle B, then we have the following characterization of such triangles in terms of sides, that is A squared is B times B plus C. Please note that it is both a necessary and sufficient condition. That's too good. So look up the problem, attempt it, come back to the comment box and let me know that you got it, you conquered it. That's an amazing one-line solution. Till then, goodbye, take care.